Hey everyone, Mercy here, back again with yet another video for the Otaku edition. Now this is the Bleach Box Set 3 unboxing. Yeah, so let's get down straight to it. And before we begin, please, why don't you take some time, smash that like button, hit that beautiful red subscribe button, become a subscriber to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you're notified every time I post something new. So straight off, let's get down with the box set unboxing. So first off, this is box set 3 of the Bleach series. This contains volumes 49 to 74. Straight off the bat, I have all the volumes for box set 2 and for box set 3. I never picked up box set 1 mainly because I wanted to pick up where I left off with the anime. So that's roundabout where box set 2 begins. And my Bleach collecting journey is a mixed one, if I have to say. Because I started collecting Bleach very early on in my manga collecting journey, and I didn't know that there were box sets at that time, and I went in for the omnibus editions, which is pretty obvious. They are the more inferior method of collecting since the paper quality is not very good, and I wasn't aware about spine cracking and stuff like that. So yeah, so my Bleach manga collecting journey has been a bit of ups and downs. But anyway, I'm glad to have box set 3. This will round off my collection. So let's open this up. So straight off, right in front, we have Ichigo looking so damn fine. In the side, we have here like this. Yeah, that's the side. In the back, we have all the 13 captains here looking really good with Yamamoto right up front, all the 13 captains. And we have side is like this. I'm guessing this is Zangetsu, not really sure, don't know who all the other characters are. Currently, while reading in the manga, I'm in the Hyukomondo arc as such, so I'm currently reading that right now. So I don't know anywhere where the manga series will go beyond that. I believe the next arc is the 1000 Blood War arc, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, this is the top right there. Yeah, and the thing about this box set is, if you were to open it up, let me open it up a bit here. Okay, as you can see, the box set, when you open it up, in a full picture this way, and you see Ichigo with a double-bladed Bankai, with his double-bladed Zanpakuto. Now I haven't reached anywhere in the manga yet where he attains this form of his Zanpakuto, so I'm really excited and interested in seeing how he gets this dual blade sort of thing. So yeah, let's open it up. Okay, right up on the inner cover we have Ichigo once again looking as always really fine. I love the watercolor effect that they've got going on here. Now this is the last arc. Bleach does end at volume 74, so we have volumes 49 to 74, so that about completes it. And I just love the look of these. They're so uniform with the Shonen Jump logo uniform, and all the covers are really good. So yeah, this is how it looks in the box. Okay, I just forgot to show you guys the side. So we have the side here, and I'm guessing this is Uryu right here in the side. So yeah, that's the box set. So right off the bat on top here, we've got Ichigo, and then we've got Renji. I'm guessing this is Byakuya. I'm not sure if this is Byakuya. You've got, Hitsugaya. You've got my man Kenpachi. You've got Ikaku. So yeah, and you got Rukia. So you got a whole lot of main characters here. I'm guessing they're going to play a very important role. So yeah, with that, let's move to the overhead cam so that I can give you a look at all the volume covers one by one. Okay everybody, so we are back to the overhead cam. So I'll just give you a quick look at all the volumes. Now before we get to that, these are some extra goodies that came in with the box set. First off, we have a double-sided poster. So let me give you a shot of that. So here we have the whole group, our main group, Ohime, Rukia, Ichigo, Renji, Chad and stuff like that. Yeah, so this is like, it looks a bit minimalistic with our main character Ichigo in black. So Yeah, I like it. Not the best thing ever, but I like it. We flip it over and we have this. Now this is the picture, full picture from the front of the box, and we have like all the main characters here. So I personally am favoring this over the previous one, but yeah, so this is the poster that comes with it. I am seeing already there's a crease marking here, so I don't think I'll be able to put this up in my room. So yeah, we also get this what looks like a character booklet, and we get a look at I'm guessing these are the covers that are there. So we have some artwork. Now straight off the bat, we have like from the back of the box set, we have the cover page, the picture with the 13 Coast Guard squad captains, and we've got some nice artwork. We've got Yamamoto. Wow, I never expected him to look like this. So you've got Yamamoto, you've got Kenpachi Zaraki. Now Kenpachi happens to be one of my favorite characters in all of Bleach. I think he's badass as hell. Now I don't know who this character is. We have Rukia. Okay, couple of coffins here. Don't know how to think about that. So yeah, so you've got a whole lot of artwork. I'm guessing these are the volume covers, and at the back we have some extra info and stuff, some more pictures. Now I've straight off the bat, since I'm not this far ahead in the manga, I do not know who these characters are or what role they play moving further ahead. So yeah, so this little booklet and a little bit of Tite Kubo's, I'm guessing his workplace and stuff like that, a few Q&A questions and stuff. So yeah, this will be fun to read through. Let's start looking at all the volume covers. Volume 49, we have Ichigo right on the cover. Yeah, volume 49. Volume 50. Volume 51. Yeah, I don't know who this character is, but look, she seems to be having a little donut and stuff. Volume 52. Volume 53. Volume 54. Ooh, who's this? Now, I just wanted to say at this point that me personally, among the 3 OG shonen manga, as Naruto, One Piece and Bleach, I do believe Bleach has the most... Tite Kubo's character designs are really unique. I do believe the artwork in Bleach, personally this is me, I believe the artwork in Bleach is a bit superior compared to the other OG, 3 members. So yeah, Tite Kubo's artwork is really good. Volume 55, each character is so different, and like I said, the character designs excel, particularly his character designs, and the action really moves well, and it's so fluid and well done. So yeah, volume 56, let me give you a look. This aesthetically, this certain monochromatic color along against the white, I don't know how I feel about that yet. Yeah, volume 57. Now I know Tite Kubo is currently working on Burn the Witch. The release schedule for Burn the Witch, I don't know how it's going to be. I know the first volume is out in English print. I'm not sure whether I should get in it with it, because the release schedule seems to be it doesn't have a fixed release schedule as such. So that's the reason I'm hesitating in getting into Burn the Witch. But from what I hear, it comes with this really cool slipcover. I'll make a point to put a picture somewhere up so you guys can check it out. Yeah. Volume 58, and I do believe Burn the Witch is set in the same universe as Bleach, so that's an interesting fact. So we have Yamamoto in the cover here, and this is Zangetsu, I'm guessing. Volume 59, let me give you a closer look. Volume 60. Volume 61. Volume 62. Wow, that looks really cool. Volume 63. Now I'm not going to show you the back covers moving further on ahead, because I don't know if there will be spoilers in it or not. So yeah, so this is volume 63. Don't know who this character is. Yeah, volume 64. volume 65. Now I gotta say about this character, these two things here remind me very much, a very reminiscence of the antennas of a cockroach. I don't know why that was the first thing that hit me when I saw this particular cover. So yeah, that's just me, but let me know in the comment section if you think so too. Volume 65, volume 66, the guy is sporting a mohawk. Wow, okay. Volume 67. Now this guy is pretty much nightmare inducing. I don't know if you can see him. Yeah, so volume 67, volume 68, volume 69, volume 70. Yeah. Now about this, but this guy reminds me a lot of the character that's on the new Fist of the North Star volume 2 cover. I don't know why he's giving me that vibes. So yeah, volume 70, volume 71. I believe this character's name is Nemu. I believe she's the assistant captain for Captain Mayuri. So yeah, volume 71, volume 72 with Uryu on the cover. Yeah, Uryu the Quincy. So volume 72, volume 73 with Renji Abarai on the cover. Yeah, and the final volume, volume 74 with our the two main characters who started it all, Rukia Kuchiki and Ichigo Kurosaki. So yeah, Ichigo is putting a new look in this. So yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I do think he looks good. But yeah, so it's like full circle ending with the two characters who started this whole thing off. So yeah, those are the volume covers for the volumes in the Bleach box set. Now please, if you have some time, please do comment on the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of the unboxing. Have you guys read Bleach, or are you more on the anime route for it? I know the anime has got a whole lot of filler stuff in it, so I'm curious to see how you guys think. I know a lot of people think Bleach goes off the rails towards the end. Personally, I'm enjoying where I am right now. Like I said, I'm in the Hyukomondo arc, so I enjoy it. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Links to my social media accounts are down in the description down below, so check them out. You can hit me up on Twitter simply at Mercy_D, on Instagram at Mercy_SD. Check out the Funny Pajamas page simply at Funny Pajamas. And if social media is not your jazz, hit me up by email simply on mercy@funny-pajamas.com. It's currently up on the screen now. So thanks for joining me, guys. It's always fun to have you guys here. I live for your comments and your advice and stuff like that. Let me know what you think of this unboxing down in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. It makes my day. So well, that's all I have for you right now. So I'm going to sign out here. This is Mercy signing out. Bye. Have a good one, everyone.